Hello dear students, so finally I am here with your home science semester 1 examination question paper. So the exam was held on 8th of December 2021. So after much difficulty I got this question paper for you all. So answer key is also here with me. So as per the answer key I have already ticked the correct answer in your question. Go through this question one by one. Okay, so you can check it how well you have done in your exam. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. Okay, dash of the kitchen should be eastern or northern eastern. The answer is C, aspect. Question number 2. Deficit budget implies expenditure exceeds income. B is the correct answer. Okay, then now let us move on to next question. Question number 3. Budget is not complete until it is balanced. Okay, then question number 4. Milestone is a significant change or an event in the development. So milestone is the correct answer. Then let us move on to question number 5. The best quality of carpet is made by weaving of fibers. D is the correct answer. Weaving of fibers. Then question number 6. The age between dash years is termed as late childhood. The answer is 7 to 11 years. 7 to 11 years. Then question number 7. Collection of food that shares similar properties is called food crops. Answer is C. C is the correct answer. Food crops. Fats and dash rich food have safety value. The answer is protein. Protein is the correct answer. Then next one. Fabrics for furnishing should not be selected on the basis of durability. B is the correct answer. Durability. Okay. Then question number 10. Dash should be given to reinforce positive behavior. The answer is B, reward. Reward is the correct answer for question number 10. Okay. Now let us move on to question number 11. Question number 11. Heavy pieces of furniture should not be dragged over the carpet. The answer is true. A is the correct answer. Number 12. All nutrients required by the body must be present in the appropriate proportion. Answer is true. So this true and false, you can go through it. Okay. Question number 13. The answer is false. Answer is false. Question number 14. The answer is false. Answer is true. Okay, answer is true. Question number 15. Answer is true. Okay, answer is true. Then let us move on to question number 16. You can see here. Saving is income expenditure. Saving is income and expenditure. Okay. Then C, which is not included in the balanced diet. The answer is junk food. Okay, junk food. The next question number 18. The answer is B. Then question number 19. The answer is A. Okay, now next one. Question number 20, the answer is C. Unpleasant emotions of 11 years old child are curiosity and anger. C is the correct answer. Question number 21, compulsory savings are C. Pension schemes. Okay, then number 22, which of these is not a common trait amongst the gang age? Answer is B. Wanting to be with the family members. Then 23, the answer is B. Appropriate role of parents should be B. Listen and discuss problems patiently. B is the correct answer. 24. Answer number D is correct. For 24, answer number D is correct. Transport. Then question number 25. Strip kitchen is correct answer. Strip kitchen. 26. The answer is A. Malfunctioning. Question number 27. ADHD is the correct answer. ADHD is the correct answer. Okay, now next number 7. Question number 28. D is the correct answer. Area rug. 29. Curd and egg is the correct answer. Then 30. C is the correct answer. It shows qualitative in nature. Then 31. Education of the family member is correct for 31. D is the correct answer. Then 32, B is the correct answer, size, sensitive and passive. Question number 33, D, strict discipline. 34, D, polished and slippery. Polished and slippery. Kitchen floor should not be polished and slippery. Okay. Then 35, low budget carpets do not include wool carpets. Okay, now next 36, choose the correct pairs. Suitable combination, rice and dal is the correct pair. 37, D, B is the correct answer, lady's finger, cauliflower, carotenoids fiber. Okay. Then 38, C is the correct answer, rejecting, parenting, low in responsiveness. 39, family lifestyle, beginning family. 39. Okay, now 40. Again, we have to choose the correct pair. B is the correct pair, windows and circulation of air. 41, rooms with too many windows, single colored curtains. 42, fermentation idli. 43, C. 44A, 45A, okay, then 46, L-shaped, 47, group 4, 48, D, sink center. Okay, and the last one, 49, D is the correct answer. And 50, D, increase the size of room. So this is all about from today's, that is the examination which was held on 8th of December. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please take care of yourself and all the best for your future exams.